In this part of video, I, Alok Kumar, is going to discuss types of force for class 8. As we know, push or pull is called force. It means that when we are going to push or pull any of the object, that is defined as the force. Generally, there are two types of force. First one, contact force. Second one, non-contact force. The force which develops due to contact is called contact force, while the force which develops without any contact is called non-contact force. Contact force, there are two types. First, muscular force and frictional force. Non-contact force, there are three types: gravitational force, magnetic force, and electrostatic force. Now, I am coming on the contact force. First one, muscular force. The force which develops due to the force of muscles. Due to the force of muscles, such a force is called muscular force. The example, horse pulling a cart. Horse pulling, that is the example, plough cart. Pulling a rickshaw, pushing the door, pushing a goods. Now, the frictional force. The force which opposes the relative motion of the other body. That is called frictional force. The frictional force only exists when the two bodies are in contact. Just when the two bodies are in contact, they oppose the motion of each other. Such a force is called frictional force. It exists only when the two bodies are placed in contact, they oppose their motion. Such a force is called frictional force. Suppose when we are moving, the earth opposes our motion, roughness of the body opposes our motion. Such a force is called frictional force. Now, I am coming on the non-contact force, gravitational force. The force exerted by the earth upon any of the body, by which it is going to fall towards the center of earth. Such a force is called gravitational force. This example, falling of an apple towards the earth, falling of a stone towards the earth. Example second, that is the magnetic force. The force exerted by the magnet upon any of the other magnetic materials, such as iron, nickel, cobalt, that is called magnetic force. This force also exerts upon the another magnet, by which there is a process of attraction and repulsion is going to be observed. Such a force is called magnetic force. Third is the electrostatic force. This force develops due to the development of charged particles. Due to the development of charged particles, when the two charged particles develops, that is positive and negative charge has been produced upon the body, and each body exerting a force upon the another body. Like charges repels each other, while unlike charges attract each other. So here the force developed is called electrostatic force. For example, when you are going to comb your hair, you observe that comb becomes charged and it attracts a piece of paper. It attracts a piece of paper. This only happens due to the force caused by the charged particles which develop in the comb, and such a force is an example of electrostatic force. For today, thank you.